Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to my service maintenance and repair bag. It's Vito bag. We'll have here, we have a couple of crescent wrenches, two different sizes, a little thermostat, screwdriver, there's a little service tool, it's a field piece, VC2G, pretty handy. There's service work wrenches. Here's another similar tool made by JB. Here we have scissor, side cutters, 11-1 Kilmore screwdriver. I forgot the name of it. Well, you'll figure it out. Here we have field piece SC680. It doesn't fit completely, but it works. Here we have some electrical tape, measuring tape, a little tiny one. Here's a service cap keys. There's another service cap key. Okay, here we have a couple of pair of gloves. There's a MG44 vacuum gauge by field piece. There's these air pressure gauges by field piece also. JL3MN. You guys familiar with these? I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Here we have some fuses that ran out a little bit. Some all kind of screws. Here, wire nuts, and some wires and related stuff. Pen tabs, probably you know, pen treatment tabs. Here's some service caps. Well, a lot of times service ports missing caps, and I just have some. Here, all kind of wires, jumpers. What is this one? Short Pro Tool. On the side of the bag, just enough space here. All that. Okay, here we have pressure gauges. JL3PR. 3 of them, high, low, and discharge. Got some temperature probes, 2 of them. We have cyclometers, 3 of them. Supply, return, and outdoors. Here we have a couple of temperature probes. I find it convenient to have a magnet glued on the bottom, so they're kind of stable on the outdoor unit. You can. Here we have a little Testo 552i vacuum gauge. There's pliers, for all kind of purposes. Some pen. These are markers. Markers on the sides. And this one is a white paint marker. That one is Testo 405i. It measures air velocity, temperature. Here we have a duck knife, level, and this is brush, very convenient for side of the drain pan. Here's a little brush. It fits just right. Don't use it that often, but can use from time to time. Here we have a little wrench for tiny spots. Here, all kind of stuff. Not as visible. Rechargeable batteries, 9 volt. A bunch of batteries in here, AA, AAAs, squeegee. Okay. These are earplugs. You can use them after you retract your cyclometer from a duct. These plugs fit right in. All you do is just shape them and stick them in, and they just puff up and take their original shape, and they basically will seal that hole. Okay, what else we have? Pretty cheap. Then another pocket which we use for boot covers. And you could use it for other stuff. So this will complete the overview. Appreciate your attention.